Hey there, this is Greg Smith, aka Dr. Frankentosh, reporting to you live from my dungeon. So this month's project, actually it's the month of December's project, is putting a MacBook Air M1 processor inside a classic iBook. So I'm working on the keyboard, and things are going pretty well. As you can see here, I have a circuit board with a Teensy 4.0 connected to the keyboard through the flexible PC. Now this keyboard is actually a donor keyboard. It's in pretty bad shape. I don't know what happened here. It looks like some kind of glue or something got on the keys. So this keyboard is being used as a test before I cannibalize the actual iBook that I'll be giving to my daughter for Christmas. Shh, don't tell her. So I've been using the software provided by Frank Adams in his excellent work on using the Teensy as a laptop keyboard controller. So as you can see here, as I touch the keys on the keyboard, A, S, D, F, and I can hold the command key and tab, and everything works as it should. So it's going pretty well. I need to work on getting the caps lock light to come on, and also the function and alt keys are not working. So here's what's left of the original iBook that was cannibalized for this project. As you can see, the parts are everywhere. But, you know, thank you for your service, little iBook. And I will be checking in with you later this month with our progress.